This is rotten wood because it breaks like that. This whole floor is filled with sand, and actually it's good because sand has little moisture. It doesn't keep moisture, so but the whole house has sand under the floor. I filled the gaps with sand, and now I only have to fix the tiles. Okay, so now I suspect that somewhere here will be a hole from which mice or rats come, and I'm going to inspect this whole room to find that hole. Actually, I'm unable to move it because it's a huge wardrobe and it's very heavy, but I will go down to see if there are any holes. Here it is, this wardrobe. It's big. It's not possible for me to move it, and there's a giant old TV here, which somehow I will need to get rid of. So I have somewhat cleaned this room. And I have found where the rats come from, or mice. It's through this gap, if you can see it, through this hole. So I'm going to fix it. I fixed it. I filled the hole with pebbles, small stones, and then I used that cement-like thing. Okay. My work so far. Actually, it's not much left anymore, and I will leave these alone because they're too small to do anything with these. wood shavings. This is going to be used for my compost toilet. This is my new tree. So now I'm going to do something proper with this because this I made it improperly. Actually, it's going to be easier than I thought. I ruined it a little bit. Oh no, I didn't. I can clean this black marks. You see, this one didn't have that gap, that indent. I will check now. Okay, I made quite a big hole now. I can clean this black color. This is fixed now. I only need to fix a wall. That was easy, much easier than the first one, you see? Success! Working.